We have two new additions to Big Mama's garden. Some blueberry bushes. Okay. Welcome to Big Mama's garden. We have a premier blueberry and a Brightwell blueberry bush. Looking good. Yes, you are. From fast growing trees. We're getting ready to pot them up into some bigger container pots. Give those roots a little more room to grow. Come on, blueberries. Grow a lot for us now. With the blueberries, you have to have two blueberry bushes to pollinate each other. So that's what we have here. Now y'all go ahead and pollinate each other and grow a lot of blueberries for us. Have one blueberry plant potted up. Looking good. One more to go. I'm gonna open these roots, massage this blueberry bush here. Get these roots ready to go into its new container where it can spread out and grow. Yeah, it had whined around, those roots had whined around in that old container pot it was in. It's ready for a new home. Okay, blueberry bush, let me get you on into this, your new home. Have to move some of the soil out and get you deeper down in there. So let me move some of the soil around and get you into your new home. Okay, I have both of my blueberry bushes potted up into their new container pots. A lot more room for them to grow. Come on, blueberries. Grow for us. Grow us a lot of blueberries. Yes. Come on, y'all. Pollinate each other. And come on and grow us a lot of blueberries that we can enjoy. Blueberries growing in Big Mama's garden. I'm going to cover them up with some netting because I heard the birds are going to try to attack my blueberry bushes before I can enjoy them. So I'm going to cover them up with some netting and to help prevent the birds from eating them up. Blueberries, y'all looking nice in y'all new spot in the garden. Okay, I decided to add some mint over here to protect the blueberry plants from pests trying to eat on them. Okay, mint, protect the blueberries now.